All right, let me speed up my meeting. I'm feeling motivated. 11 o'clock. All right, here we go. And this will compel you to be more creative on getting people on the phone. Yes, it will. So think about what else can I do to get people on the phone? What else can I say? What else can I offer? What can I do that other real estate agents are not doing? Number one, if you just call, you're doing better than 69% of agents. So then you have to just be careful on the words that come out of your mouth. Nobody's going to show up to a buyer meeting just because they want to buy a house, guys. That's not going to happen. You're not the only game in town. I'm not the only game in town. If,
Hmm.
if we're marketing to them, somebody else is too. Right? You guys just told me somebody watched the news report. Everybody's talking about how 70% of homes in Atlanta are being bought with cash. That was on this morning. We talked about that in our team meeting. And then you get all the buyers. I'm telling you, Jacksonville guys and ladies are saying there's no homes here. So what does that mean? Bad. We're just gonna wait it out and until somebody goes on the news again and tells us there are some homes.
Hmm.
Guess who's the news reporter that has to do that? You on social media. I got a free list of homes right here. We used to have a book, remember, Joe, with 6,000 homes in it? I got a free list of homes that you cannot find on the internet that could save you anywhere from $35,000 to $50,000. Call me if you want this free list. Call me right now. These are not on FMLS, Zillow, or anywhere online. Call me. And guess what? Their phones would start ringing. Right?
I do a video of me in front of the house, like when I did this new
Yes.
subdivision in McDonough, saying, hey, this house was not on the MLS. And then I showed a panoramic of the subdivision. Hey, these are all the houses. They're not on They're not on the MLS.
Right? Because are most builder homes on FMLS or MLS? No, they're not.
No.
They don't want to pay the fee. They're not. So we already talked about doing open houses for builders. I mean, we already talked about that. Hopefully, somebody's out here saying. I mean, I know Kayla. She had to go to the doctor's morning, but I know Kayla. I'm working with Kayla to do this. Kayla's new on our team. She's killing it, and she's like, Anthony, I'm just gonna try this stuff you're saying. I'm like, that's awesome. Please do it. And now she's seeing a lot of stuff is just working. She was at KW, very slow with business. She's been on our team for 4 weeks, and now she has 2 deals under contract and 7 to 8 prospects she's working with in 2 weeks. So I don't know. Bottom line, work at getting the prospects on the phone. Remember, you guys have something to say. You're all very beautiful, talented, attractive people with a lot of expertise. They will never get to meet you unless you can get them on the phone. And when you get them on the phone, remember, Les Brown says, when you open your mouth, you tell the world who you are. So make sure the words that come out of your mouth are words that benefit them, not benefit you. Right? I'm doing this. I have a team. Ba da da da. This is all the stuff we're offering you. Okay? Work at getting the prospects on the phone. And when you do, guys, don't freestyle. Follow the callback script. Follow the callback script. You guys all have it. All right?